Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make Gmail account in phone. So the first, open the Gmail app, then click on the profile. After that, click add another account. Click on Google. Click create account on the bottom left corner. After that, click for myself. Write the name. I will write me Kyle Tuna. Click next. Enter your birthday and gender. This is just an example, so I feel it not based on my information, so then click next. Choose your Gmail address, or you can create your own Gmail address by clicking on here, but I will choose from the option. Click next, then I click password. I will create the password first. Okay, click next. Then yes, I'm in. Click next again. Then click I agree. So your new Gmail has been created. So this is how to make Gmail account in phone. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.